To select our mode of operating, we will do so within our EMU monitor. First, we will select Menu, then the Select button for grade control, and then the Select button for Select Mode. Initially, we see that our mode is currently set to off, meaning that we are operating our machine manually. Pressing the next arrow will populate our next available operation mode, which is 2D laser, if equipped. If we were to hit the Select button, then 2D laser would be our current operation mode, and our rear view camera would be used as our display. Continuing to arrow through using the next button in our EMU, our next operation mode is 2D slope control. If selected, our rear view camera would be used as our display. Our next available mode is for 3D SmartGrade, if equipped. If 3D SmartGrade were selected, we would be using our SmartGrade GX55 monitor for our display. Finally, clicking our next arrow once more, we will turn us to the option for off, where we would be operating the blade manually.